We didn't get off to a great start in the league, but somehow we managed to scrape into a home semi-final.
I believe we're going into the semi-final a far better team than we ever have before. I believe that we've learnt, as I've already pointed out, a lot of lessons from what went on before. We were in a good position, a good place at the end of last season. We unfortunately didn't win that semi-final.
Gregor Towns has taken over as their coach this year. You know, he was incredibly creative as a player himself, and you can see that what he's added to their game. They play with real sort of ambition, and they have a lot of very, very strong and powerful ball carriers right across the team.
We know that we've got to go there and play our best to win. We know how good Leinster are, but we've got to be confident with the way we're playing, and we've got to use the lessons we've learnt from the two semi-finals that we've lost.
Since Christmas, in many ways, they've been the form team in the league. You know, you talk about us scoring tries. I think Glasgow are a team that scored a hell of a lot of tries as well. We had a very close game in the RDS where there was a forward pass in at the end that was given, and you know they could easily have got over for a try, which would have won the game. So yeah, listen, we're going to have to be really on our game if we want to have a chance of winning the game on the weekend.
It's not something we're going to shy away from. We're going to go out there and we're going to try and make sure that we play our brand of rugby. We've probably learned in the past that you can't sit back and see how good a team is in a semi-final. You go out there and you try and win it yourself.